When the noise becomes unbearable, the soul begins to whisper. This week the world is loud with urgency, with declarations, demands, algorithms that chase the edge of attention. But beneath it all, a quieter pulse is rising. It hums not in headlines, but in hearts. It is the whisper of remembrance, a longing for stillness, for truth that does not shout, for presence that does not sell itself. The invitation is this: turn down the volume even just a little and listen. The earth is not screaming, she is sighing. Your ancestors are not frantic, they are knocking gently. Spirit is not distant, it is curled beside your breath, waiting for you to notice. There is a gift this week in the unexpected pause, in the glitch, in the missed call, in the quiet walk you almost didn't take, in the dream you almost forgot. This is the still point before movement, the inhale before the truth is spoken, the silence before the song. And so we say to the weary and the wandering, you are not late, you are not lost, you are not alone. You are listening, and that is a revolution. Anchor for the week. Place your hand over your heart and whisper, I remember what silence sounds like. Elemental ally. Water. Let emotion rise without judgment. Bathe, weep, drink, bless, flow. Rune for the world. Isa. Stillness is not stagnation. It is concentration. Let the ice clarify. Tarot thread. The Hermit plus Knight of Cups reversed. Seek without spectacle, love without pretense, offer only what is honest. Closing word. Not all change begins with movement. Some begins with listening. Some begins with you. Divine Spirit.